Dear students, welcome you all to the Industrial Pharmacy 9th lecture, part 2. In the 9th lecture, part 2, that is another topic entitled Equipment Used for Patches, Implants and Sachets. In this lecture, we will discuss in detail the equipment used for transdermal drug delivery system, patches and plants, and as well as the sachet filling, sachet packing as well. The main focus of this lecture is to learn about the equipment used for the patches, implants and sachets. Dear student, after the completion of this part of the lecture, you will be able to learn about the various equipment used for the patches, implants and sachets. Dear student, as you know that patches are a type of transdermal drug delivery system. That is, a transdermal patch is a medicated adhesive patch that is placed on the skin to deliver a specific dose of medication through the skin, and then it is entered inside the bloodstream. The main focus of the patches is to deliver the specific dose of the active pharmaceutical ingredient, but the delivery is through the skin rather than the other routes of administration. There are different equipments used for the patches, but mostly the equipment consists of the following parts: coating machine, the supporting machine, and the supporting machine include adhesive blending, slitting machine, slicing machine, die cutting machine, and as well as pouching machine. Remember that we can say that it consists of the supporting machines as well as the coating machine, and the further parts of the supporting machines are adhesive blending, slitting machine, slicing machine, die cutting machine, as well as the pouching equipment. Remember that fully automatic transdermal patches machines are used in the pharmaceutical industry as the science and innovation and technology advancement. Most of the industries installed the fully automatic transdermal patches preparation machine in order to reduce the cost, and the production speed rate is also enhanced due to the fully automation available machine. Another system that is termed as implants. An implant is a single unit drug delivery system that has been designed to deliver a drug moiety at a therapeutically desired rate, which is recommended dose, and the rate is desired over a prolonged at a therapeutically desired rate. But remember that this therapeutically desired rate is over a prolonged period of time. That is, the desired rate is focused prolonged it means that the release of growth is prolonged or delayed. Implants are a type of modified release drug. Modified is that when we alter the system, the conventional dosage form then we say that it is modified one. And implants is one of the modified release drug delivery system, and which a single unit drug delivery is given to the patient over a prolonged period of time. These systems, that is implants, are generally used for parenteral usage, including ocular and subcutaneous drug delivery system. Examples of implants used in the treatment of brain tumors and the marketed drug available registered in the form of implants, that is glided wafer. A prostate cancer treatment is done by the using the marketed product, the prawn depot. You have heard about the injection depot. Injection depot is also prolonged release of drug, which are used for the patients. Another, that is the equipment used for sachet. Fully automatic machines are used in the sachet preparation. Remember that the powder are granules which are to be avoided or marketed in the form of the sachet. The granules or powder are filled automatically, and automatically it is sealed, and sachets are cut in the desired length, and they are packed as well. You can see the sachet machine. There is a fully automatic sachet machine here. You can see that it is a fully automatic machine. You can see this is the sachet which is being packed by the automatically filled machine. And this is the roll, and the roll has been as you can see the different parameters adjusted on the red and green, as well the voltage, the temperature, and the different speeds of the machine as well, and it is controlled and adjusted. You can see the cutting of the sachet after the filling. It is cut into the pieces, and it is a fully automatic machine, and the powder granules which are filled inside the sachet are then cut into the pieces, and finally you can see that cutting is also done and the sealing is also done. You can see the sachet filling and sealing, and not only the filling is done by the machine, but also the sealing is done by the machine. Most of the pharmaceutical industry may contain fully automatic sachet filling and sealing machines are available and installed in the pharmaceutical industry, because it reduces the cost as well as the production rate is also high. We can consult the Remington, the Science and Dosage Form, Science and Practice of Pharmacy, 20th edition, pages 1846 to 1856. Thank you all for your attention, and you can also visit this one, that is the sachet filling and sealing machine. You can also views other videos related to the automatically filling as well as the sealing machine for the sachet. And thank you all for your attention. We will also discuss this one through the Google Meet as well. And in the next lecture we have not only discussed this one, and then our lecture comprised of two parts. In the first part that I have told you about the ornament manufacturing machine, that how ornaments are manufactured using the different equipments, and that equipment is not only used for the ornament but also used for the creams as well. The other type of preparation, and that is the gels and lotion, and the capacity ranges from 5 kg to 1000 kg. That was the first part of the lecture 9th, in which we have also studied the equipment used for the semi-solid dosage form, and the water phase vessel, the wax phase vessel, the manufacturing vessel, homogenizer tank, and the different other parts that are connecting pipeline, electrical control panel, the tube filling machine as well. And we have also discussed thoroughly the most prominent parts of the manufacturing plant used for the ornaments. Remember that the frequently used creams are packed in the ornaments are packed in the 5 gram, 15 gram or 30 gram tube. Mostly the collapsible tubes are used, or small aluminum tubes are used. But remember that ophthalmic ornaments typically are packed in small aluminum or collapsible plastic tubes that holding the 3.5 gram of the ornament. Means that ophthalmic ornament that is used for the eye, that are typically filled with the small amount rather than the above mentioned amount, that is the amount of packing, that is 5, 15 and 30 gram. This is for ornaments, creams and gels, but exception is there for the most of the ophthalmic ornaments, which are typically packed in the small weight, that is 3.5 gram. And that's topic for friends from the Lakeman, the theory and practice of industrial pharmacy, while the second part of this lecture comprised of the equipment used for patches, implants and sachets. In this lecture, second part, I have told you about the patches and the different equipment used for patches, including a coating machine and the supporting machines, and the varieties of supporting machines are there for patches manufacturing in the industry. Remember that fully automatic transdermal patches machines are available in the pharmaceutical industry, which are used, and I have told you about the implants and how implants are example of implants, and as well as the equipment used for the sachet fully automatic machine, along with the reference, that is the Remington, the Science and Practice of Pharmacy 20th edition, pages 1846 to 1856. Thank you all for your attention. We will discuss this one using the Google Meet online class as well.